Experience Haiti from our stylish hotel, minutes from the city's commercial district. We are also conveniently located 7 miles from Toussaint Louverture International Airport. Step into sophisticated style inspired by the spirit of Haiti. Our friendly staff is excited to welcome you to our Port-au-Prince Hotel. Socialize in style with friends, family or business colleagues in our chic great room. Neutral tones ignite with a splash of bold hues in the lobby of our luxury hotel in Haiti. Catch up on work, sip on a cocktail, or simply sit back and relax in our elegantly appointed great room. Featuring Haiti-inspired art, our Port-au-Prince hotel was designed to please any world traveler. Whether it is for social talks or reading a book, the great room is a great place to lounge in our Haiti hotel. Bring your dream wedding to life on our spacious outdoor terrace. Featuring breathtaking views, our terrace is the perfect space to entertain guests at your wedding in Haiti. Inspired by the beauty of Paco, Haiti, our Tourja accommodations offer unique artwork, chic furnishings, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Spread out in style in our king guest rooms. Our hotel in Haiti comes complete with sleek decor, spacious work desks and jaw-dropping views of Port-au-Prince. For more space, choose one of our executive king guest rooms. Our Haiti hotel boasts beautiful decor and picturesque views of Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Get some work done in the comfort of your own room. All guest rooms in our Port-au-Prince hotel are ideal for the working traveler. Pamper yourself in spa-like bathrooms featuring spacious vanities and large walk-in showers. Make yourself at home in our spacious one-bedroom suites. Our hotel in Haiti features unique decor crafted by local Haitian artisans. Soak up breathtaking views of Haiti in our beautiful one-bedroom suites. Kick back on stylish couches in our Port-au-Prince suites. Start your day in style in our elegant bathrooms featuring large vanities, full-length mirrors and expansive bathtubs. Each of our one-bedroom suites features a walk-through bathroom connected to the living room and bedroom. Travelers visiting Haiti on business can stay productive at our hotel in Port-au-Prince. Our business center, located in the great room, offers free internet access to help you stay connected. Enjoy the convenience of La Siren. Our on-site restaurant invites guests to enjoy our diverse menu options, including Sunday brunch, without ever having to leave our Port-au-Prince hotel. Socialize with colleagues while sipping handcrafted cocktails, or plan a special social gathering in La Siren's bar area. La Siren offers a full American breakfast buffet daily, which includes local Haitian specialties. Try some of our delicious menu options at our restaurant in Port-au-Prince today. After enjoying a meal at our restaurant, head outdoors to sit back and enjoy the refreshing island breeze at our luxury hotel in Haiti. Celebrate with 6 to 8 people in La Siren's private dining area. Stay energized and satisfied with locally grown and roasted coffee, fresh juice, ceviche and hand-rolled sushi at Café Cho. After exploring Haiti, take a relaxing dip in our sparkling outdoor pool. Our hotel pool is surrounded by beautiful lights, impressive palm trees and plush lounge chairs. Enjoy a brisk workout at Club 147, featuring a variety of free weights and cardiovascular equipment with flat-panel TVs. Get down to business when you book our stylish Sturgeon meeting space featuring the latest audio-visual equipment. Get down to business in our stylish meeting rooms in Sturgeon. Stay connected to business colleagues worldwide in our meeting rooms, which feature the latest audio-visual equipment. Visiting Port-au-Prince on business? Get the job done right on site with our unique meeting venues and dedicated event specialists. Host a coffee break or intimate cocktail reception in the foyer of our Eisen Ballroom. Our Port-au-Prince hotel has the perfect space for any occasion. Plan your next extravagant affair in our 2,756 square foot foyer, perfect for large conferences and weddings in Haiti. Large, lavish affairs can be hosted in our 5,640 square foot Eisen Ballroom, while more intimate celebrations can be held in one of the 3 separate salons. Offering 5,640 square feet of meeting space, the Eisen Ballroom boasts beautiful and customized decor. The ballroom can be divided into 3 separate salons, excellent for your meetings, conferences or social events. Host a coffee break or intimate cocktail reception in the foyer of our Eisen Ballroom. Our Port-au-Prince hotel has the perfect space for any occasion. The spacious outdoor terrace offers a grand outdoor event space, ideal for weddings and social events. Our wedding accommodations in Haiti offer stylish and convenient amenities that your guests are sure to love. Say I do to your dream wedding on our outdoor terrace while enjoying breathtaking views of Haiti.